We built a professional landing page with AI without using any coding. I've done 6 builds to refine the prompt. And what you're about to see is the one that actually works. You'll see the full build, the plan review, and even a bug we found and fixed afterwards. If you stay till the end, I'll give you the prompt we used, optimized, and the full source code so you can use this for your business as well. On a build landing page for a small local business, we're only going to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We don't want any dependencies either. I want the website to feel premium, so just use dark charcoal as colors with gold accents. We're going to use Google Fonts for this one, so we'll just keep it simple. You can use the assets from the assets folder provided. We also want to add the dark light theme toggle through variables CSS. We're going to have 9 sections in this exact order. So the first section we want is the navigation section. Underneath that, we want the hero section, which will have an image and a call to action button. The image needs to be to the right, the call to action button to the left, and then a tagline phrase that goes above the actual button. Underneath the hero section, we want to have the testimonials. I want to get 6 testimonials on desktop, and then I want for mobile to only show 3, and I want them to be one under the other, basically for mobile. Under the testimonials section, we'll have the services. We're going to go with 6 services. So under the services section, we'll have the about section where you present a bit of information about the owner of the barbershop or the experience and a few key highlights about all of his accomplishments. Underneath the about section, we need to go with a simple 3-step process of how the business actually works. Underneath that, we'll have a simple call to action with a button that people can actually click. Then just a simple contact form that people can actually use, where we'll have a phone number, email address, and they can send us a short message. We'll finalize everything with a footer where we'll have the logo for the business, and we'll have the tags for the actual social links and the copyright for 2026. Make sure you make this mobile responsive, so you'll have breakpoints at each step, so the website works proper on mobile as well. And also, don't build anything just yet, because I want you to first enter plan mode, and if you got any questions, just make sure you ask me before that. Not to mention, please do not explore any other folders except for the one provided, which is the assets folder. Yeah, and after that, you can start to code. If you want the full optimized prompt template and the actual source code, it's in the link in the description. So I've got my voice prompt, but it's a bit raw. So I'm going to take this through an AI to actually clean it up, and then I'm going to give it back to the actual builder. Now I'm going to paste this prompt straight into Claude and see what it comes up with. So before it builds, it comes up back with a few questions. These are design choices, layout details, things it wants to clarify. So this is actually a good sign, and it means it takes a moment to understand the questions and to think before beginning to actually code. So I'll just answer the questions pretty simple. This is usually where the back and forth goes. You're just asking you questions to clarify things in the planning. So the plan looks good, so I'm just going to approve it, and we're going to see how long it takes for it to finish the full build. If you want to learn how to build things like this, you can just join the community. I'll leave the link in the description. All right, so this full build took around 4 minutes and 33 seconds to do. Now let's check the actual results and see how it did. All right, it's pretty cool. Toggle working. Oh, sweet. I like this. Our services, it's pretty cool. Pretty nippy. How it works. Book now. Oh, okay. This is cool. This is cool. The other builds didn't have it this way. All right, let's see how it works on mobile now. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, just 3. Sweet. Yeah. This looks awesome. The menu. Alright, so it doesn't have alright, so it missed one spot here, so it's auto clickable, so we don't have the option to actually queue this out here. Alright, we'll just prompt it to insert this if possible. Yeah. we'll insert the image, and then we forgot to add an X mark here so we can actually close the hamburger menu. I really like how it did the sections. This is how I do section, but pretty much the same way. It's pretty cool to see. All right, let's see the full fix now. This is awful. This is exactly what I mean. All right, at least it's there. It's a simple fix. Everybody, you have to hide it from the actual desktop view. You need to do that in CSS. Everybody, yeah, my accent. Hopefully it knows what to do. Otherwise, I'll need to prompt it prop. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Right, let's retest this one more time. There we go. Sweet. I've run this. This is the 6th page I'm building right now. So the fact that it never glitched on that thing before. So sweet. We've got them. Yeah. That is it. Sweet. Pretty much like it a lot. That's it. We built your landing page. You can get the template or the source code for free. Just check the link in the description. And if you want to build projects like this together, you can check out provibecoding.dev. All right. See you in the next one.